Start. Then there was another question which I'm sure must have been raised by my friends was the question of adult literacy. Stop. I completely agree, and as a matter of fact, this has been my conviction for many years that this country will not have full utilization of its human factor as long as such a large proportion of its population is illiterate. Stop. I think some kind of a crash program is required for this purpose. Stop. The Planning Commission in its final draft has recognized the importance of this problem and has put a paragraph about the need for doing something on the subject of adult education, and they are also helping them through National Social Service Program. Stop. We may be able to create literacy brigades and thereby involve the student community also in this problem of illiteracy. Stop. There are a number of other schemes which are also on the anvil. Stop. But quite honestly, I am not satisfied with the efforts that my government is making to deal with the problem of adult illiteracy in this country. So, I think we have got to go in for much larger efforts, and those efforts cannot come merely by government finances. Stop. Much larger efforts are required by means of public participation and the participation of all literate persons in this country. Stop. Para. What is needed is a campaign approach. Stop. As soon as I get myself free from some of the other problems with which I have been confronted in the last 2 months, I hope to spend some of my own time on the subject of literacy and see if it is possible to do something to make it more effective on the campaign basis with the cooperation and participation, I am sure, of all my colleagues in this house and in the other house, as well as the economists in different parts of the country. Stopera. Sir, an honorable member referred to the question of Sanchi and said that conveniences are not provided there in Sanchi. Stop. This is because on the top of the hill there is no water. Stop. Water has to be taken now in ports. Stop. It is very inconvenient. Stop. There is no restaurant there. Stop. Only drinking water is made available, and that also has to be carried up there. Stop. We are now taking steps in consultation with the Ministry of Tourism to see whether pipeline can be fixed so that water is available, and once it is available, possibly there, the question of canteen facilities, gardens and lawns will become possible. Stop. Incidentally, I may say that I am feeling convinced in my mind that while the Department of Archaeology is rightly under the Ministry of Education, the Department of Archaeology by itself is not able to provide all the face lifting, face modifications, and face beautification which are required in order to make these archaeological monuments also centers of tourist interest, and therefore we are in consultation with the Ministry of Tourism, and both of us hope to get together to discuss. Stop. Para. Sir, I would like to see a young man becoming a new man who will reshape the future of the country. Stop. This is the biggest role that two people can play, the mass movement man who will improve the condition of work and also who will help in the reorganization of the society from that end, and the teacher who will guide the new man to come into existence. Stop. This is a very big role that he has to play. Stop. Unfortunately, this is not being done. Stop. Why? Who is responsible for it? Stop. I am not one of those who feel terribly worried when there is an agitation, something is rotten, and the students and the teachers are perfectly entitled to come out and see that these things are changed. Stop. In the last 25 years, we have inherited a system which has become a factor in the future development of our country. Stop. It has to be broken. It is also to be broken peacefully. Stop. I would like to see that it is done. Stop. If it cannot be done like that, the only thing is to join the agitation and finish off this system which has been a terrible obstacle in our country's progress. Stop. Now, from the elementary education up to the university education, almost everything is wrong. Stop. We have promised that we will see that every young man and every child in this country gets a proper education. Stop. Have we succeeded? Stop. No. Why it is so? Stop. We are not able to say anything positively. Stop. Era. I would like to tell you that in most of the villages there are people who cannot afford to send their boys for education. Stop. When education is free, they should be able to send them to school. But why is it that they are not sending them to school? Stop. It is because these children are necessary for agricultural labor and to help them to earn a better living. Stop. What do we see? Stop. 12 years old boys, 13 years old boys and girls also are partners in production in agricultural fields. Stop. They cannot afford to send them to school. Stop. In every village there are two types of villagers. One type consists of those who do not work and the schools are meant for them, and the other is those who do honest work but can never get into the school. Stop. So I would suggest, as has been suggested by certain eminent educationists, that the school timing must be changed. Stop. The harvest period must be a period of vacation in the agricultural areas so that at least the family gets a little income through these boys who are working in the fields. Stop. There is nothing wrong at all in making a living like that. Stop. It is not child labor. Stop. I am prepared to accept this system because he has learns and earns along with this work. Stop. Here. Mahatma Gandhi's concept of labor oriented education will be successful in the villages, in the agrarian areas, if our boys are given education. Stop.